My name is Jared Todd, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the equipment that I use to make my custom knives. This is a custom-made belt grinder that I've built myself. It uses 2-inch wide belts that are 72 inches long. This style of belt is available in many different types of grits and styles. It's one of the most popular sizes of belts. I have got an 8-inch contact wheel that is backed by rubber, so it gives a little bit of give while I grind onto it. This is probably one of the most important knife-making pieces of equipment that I own. You don't need a piece of equipment like this to make knives. You can make a custom knife by hand with no power tools at all. It is more difficult, it takes longer, but it can be done. And usually it's a way processes involved in making knives.